Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting straight to the printer's network settings. First, make sure the printer is powered and on the same local network as your phone or laptop. That avoids false errors. Once done, open the control panel, touchscreen or buttons, and navigate to the Setup or Network menu. If prompted, choose Wireless Setup or Network Settings. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi SSID and password at hand so you can reconnect immediately after the reset. Now you'll perform the reset itself. In Network Settings, pick Restore Network Defaults or Wireless Reset. The exact label varies by HP model. You must confirm the action. This clears saved networks, IP assignments, and WPS pairings so the printer can relearn connections. During the operation, the printer may restart. Wait for the status light or touch display to show ready. Don't interrupt power or network while it restarts, because that can leave network settings incomplete. After reset, reconnect immediately using Wireless Setup. Select your SSID and enter the password so the printer obtains a new IP via DHCP. If you rely on a static IP, set it now under Advanced Network and match your subnet. Once connected, print a network configuration or test page to verify connectivity and the printer's IP. If it won't join the Wi-Fi, power cycle the router and printer, confirm SSID visibility, and retry the wireless setup. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.